Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a Day of the Dead look for you. I hope it turns out super cute, but we will see. So, I'm going to be using rhinestones in this look, along with some crazy colors, and just gonna kind of have fun with it. So, that is the goal anyways. Okay, to start, I'm going to be making my face white. So I'm taking a beauty blender and some Dreamtone, and I'm just gonna put this all over my face. Alright guys, so this is the white base. I know I don't look much different from it, so nothing too crazy yet. Now I'm gonna go in with this pink color here. Actually no. I'm gonna go in with this black first. Alright, so we're just gonna take black with this brush. And we'll do that on the other side. Alright, so that is that for now. Now, we're gonna go in with pink one that I just like stabbed. This is so pink, I love it. Okay, so that is some of the pink on the eye. I'm just gonna do the same thing on this side. Okay, so that's just the base for the eyeshadow. That's gonna be pink as well. And now I'm gonna go in with this just pink eyeshadow. Now I'll do the same thing on the other side. Alright, so that is the pink. Now, I'm going to take this little black eyeliner here. I'm just going to draw. So that is my spider web. We're gonna go onto my nose. Okay, so now my nose is on, and now we glue on the rhinestones. Alrighty, so one eye is on. Alrighty guys, now let's glue on the other eye. So that is the eye makeup for now. And then I'm gonna glue these tiny little ones. Whoa! That shit falling off my face. Making a mess. Now for the exciting part. Alright guys, so that's it so far. Okay, so now I'm gonna put on some mascara. And then I'm gonna go on some eyelashes. I don't know if you guys can understand what I'm saying super well with all this stuff on my mouth, but I'm trying to say things well. Alrighty guys, so this is my final sugar skull look for you. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys enjoy Day of the Dead as much as I do. I think it's an amazing holiday and I really enjoy it, so thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you would like to. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys!